Heat a pan, add just a little oil, and let it sizzle. Once it's hot, add the chicken, thin strips already seasoned, ready to get that perfect golden edge. Spread it out. Let every piece touch the pan. That's where the flavor begins. Let it cook on high heat for about 2 minutes. Don't move it. We want that golden sear to lock in the flavor. Now flip each piece. Same thing on the other side. Golden, juicy, and full of flavor. Let it cook for 2 more minutes. Don't worry if it's still a bit raw inside. It'll finish cooking later, in the sauce. Once it's golden, take the chicken out of the pan, set it aside. We'll bring it back later when the sauce is ready. Lower the heat. Add a knob of butter. This is where the magic starts. Let the butter melt slowly. That smell, that's pure comfort. Add chopped garlic. Just a few seconds in the butter, and everything starts to smell amazing. Pour in heavy cream. This is what gives that rich, silky texture everyone loves. All the ingredients and exact amounts are in the description box below. Add grated parmesan. Stir it slowly until it melts right into the cream. Let the sauce cook on low heat for about 10 minutes. Just a gentle simmer. This is where it turns creamy and perfect. While the sauce cooks, prepare the pasta. In plenty of boiling water, add a small handful of salt. Add a small handful of salt, not just a pinch. The pasta will absorb exactly what it needs, so don't be afraid to season the water well. Add the pasta. I'm using fettuccine, but any thin, long pasta works just as well. Let the pasta cook for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until it's cooked just the way you like it. Give it a gentle stir every now and then. When the pasta is cooked, save a little of that cooking water before draining it. It'll help us make the sauce even creamier later. And now, back to the sauce. Add the drained pasta straight in. This is where everything comes together. Add the chicken we cooked earlier. It's time to bring all those flavors back together. Add a splash of the pasta water. It helps the sauce stick better and makes it even creamier. You'll notice we didn't add any salt to the sauce. The chicken was already seasoned, the parmesan brings its own saltiness, and even the pasta water adds a bit more. That's why the flavor ends up perfectly balanced, no extra salt needed. Now mix everything together over medium-high heat. The warmth helps the pasta absorb the sauce, and every strand gets coated in that rich, buttery flavor. This is the best part, when all those simple ingredients finally become one. And that's it. Creamy, rich, and absolutely delicious. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button and subscribe for more recipes like this one.